Hey dump truckers, Dominique here. As you can see, I'm in my office and I'm not out working today. Although I don't have any work for the truck, I've got plenty of work to do right here. We recently decided to move my office and all of its contents down to the shop. I've made it my goal to get as much of it moved today as I can. I'm definitely going to take you guys down there and show you where my office is moving to, but first I want to let everyone know that I'm having a 25% off everything sale in my store, plus free shipping within the United States. I also have boxes and boxes of samples and extra items that are not for sale in my store that I'll be putting into random packages this week. Now don't worry if you've already purchased this week, you still have a chance to win those extra items. The link to my store is in the description and the pinned comment as well. Now let's go see where my new office is.
There's the truck. It's hooked up to the equipment trailer because it was solo and Bobby was trying to unload the excavator. So it's just easier to hook up that truck that was already out there. And
my last job, I was solo hauling recycled asphalt to a homeowner. It was a good day.
Got the 7.3 here plugged in, 7.3 problems. Okay. It's quite a bit warmer in here than it is outside, so. Flip on some lights. Okay. We got the 77 here. I don't think I've ever given you guys a tour of the shop, but this is the 77. You guys have definitely seen pictures of it right here. Some video of it right here. There's the bathroom. I did want to show you guys the bathroom really quick. It has this cool fancy sliding door. It's a little messy. This is Bobby's bathroom, but yes, toilet and a sink. Bobby did talk about wanting to get a little bit bigger sink, so we'll probably end up doing that. And then, yeah, it's definitely not bad for a shop bathroom. I've definitely seen worse. The lights automatically come on, there's no switch. Which is kind of nice when you're trying to wash your hands and stuff after working. And this is a tool cabinet. Tool cabinet. It's a cool idea. Locked. There's the excavator out back. The back door. The back roll-up door. That's a utility room. I think the water heater's in there and stuff. And then up these stairs is where my office is gonna be. So this is where my office is going to be. It's a bar. When we looked at this house, this desk was already here and there was a computer on it with 2 monitors and this furniture was here. We bought all this furniture from the previous owner. Bobby and I went and got some stools to go at the bar here, and then we're looking for a table to kind of go like right in this area, and I think I'm going to turn the desk around and put it in the corner. I think that's the plan. Not exactly sure on what I'm doing yet. I think I actually have to just get all my stuff out here before I really figure out what I'm doing. We just wanted extra space in the house and fully move the business into the shop. Nice concrete countertops, cabinets, lots of storage. A bunch of wine glasses. I don't know what we need wine glasses for, but they're here. Big ice scoop. Refrigerator, completely empty. Sink, ice bucket. This is a little ice maker. I don't think we've ever used it before. Sink. Lots of garbage bags. Dishwasher. Funny story about this dishwasher. It stopped doing like the spraying on the top rack. I don't know why. And this was in the house. And rather than go buy a new dishwasher or fix this one, Bobby and his dad switched the one that was in here into the house and put the one that didn't work back out here. I mean, it works, it just doesn't take anything off of the top rack. Like, it would probably sanitize okay, but if there's any amount of food stuck on anything on the top rack, it was not getting clean. Probably move the wine rack, maybe put coffee maker here. Maybe find some hooks to put some mugs on here. Oh, make it a little less bar-ish, more office. Bobby and I just wanted to get the business out of the house, you know, have our home time and our business separate. So if we can get my office cleaned out, then we can also put all of Remy's toys in there, maybe make it into a playroom. With our 2-story house, it's hard to keep his toys contained into his room because we're all downstairs and he wants to be down there playing, but like, yeah, so you guys get it. I just wasn't utilizing my office for what I should be utilizing it for. I did not do a lot of work in there. I did most of my editing on my laptop at the kitchen counter, which I'll still be able to do. And then my desktop computer can come down here and I can edit on it if I want. I started using external hard drives. I know this is like getting into a lot of stuff that you guys don't really care about, but I started using external hard drives so that I can move projects from computer to computer and use both. We have heat down here, no air conditioning, but hopefully someday I'll get some kind of air conditioning. Not that I spend a lot of time in my office as it is. Got our truck parking, trailer parking. You can see it from the window here. It's pretty nice. Then from the front, you can see the trucks leaving, coming and going, and then the driveway with our flagpole. So this will be pretty nice once we get it all set up and I get my own coffee maker out here, and there's a nice refrigerator and a dishwasher for coffee mugs and snacks and things. Once we get a table out here, it'll be good for meetings and things like that. I'm just really excited because I'm actually gonna get to use this room, which with 3 kids, we rarely use this room. We use it to play video games, that's about it. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that mini tour of my new office and parts of the shop, but definitely check out the links below. Head to the store, 25% off, free shipping within the United States, and your chance to win one of those extra items that we've got sitting around. Like always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.